In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to add Jotform on your GoDaddy website. First of all, you need to log into your GoDaddy and click your profile name in the top right corner. Then you need to go to My Products page, and right here, you need to scroll down until you will see Websites plus Marketing. You need to scroll this down and choose your GoDaddy website. Then click Manage on the right side. Then you need to scroll down and you need to click Edit Website. After that, you can go to the Jotform and you can start creating a form for your GoDaddy website. Click the Create button in the top left corner, select Form. I will use the available templates, so let's click Use Template. And I will show you an example. For example, let's use this new customer registration form. I will click Use Template. So you can add your logo or customize this, and after you will finish, then you can click Publish in the top right corner, and then on the left hand side you need to select Embed and you need to copy the code. Then you can go back to the GoDaddy website, and then you need to select the page where you want to place this new form. For example, you can click the plus icon and add a new page, or you can choose from existing page. For example, I will add this on my home page. So you need to click this plus sign, add section right here, and in the search you need to write code and select HTML code. After that, you need to paste the code right here on the right side. We just copied from Jotform, and as you can see, our registration form is right here after we entered the HTML code. So if everything is correct, you can click Done right here and then click Publish on the top. So you will add Jotform to your GoDaddy website. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.